Hi guys, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. आज हम directly मिल रहे हैं in Singapore. It's day one and I'm all ready and I'm going to show you all the spots that you need to visit. So let's go.
This is Voco Orchard, Singapore. This is where we are staying. This is the view from my room.
Okay, so now I'm on my way to MRT, which is basically metro, and it's very easy, very convenient. सब कुछ बहुत easy है. आप जब भी आओगे you'll understand. Even Google Maps बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं, so they tell you exactly कहाँ से क्या जाना है. So let's go to our first place. Best part I think is इतनी greenery है आसपास. Wherever you look, it's just super green. And I think I'm staying at one of the best areas. Okay, so this is a very old cafe sort of a place. बहुत ही सुंदर था.
But guys, look at this neighborhood.
Okay, so I had my first meal there. It was quite nice. मुझे बहुत authentic लगा. बहुत amazing नहीं बोलूँगी, but अच्छा था experience. And the best part was I met somebody. So he has been to Kolkata and I was just telling the person जिससे मैं order कर रही थी. So he must have heard. And then he spoke. मतलब I can't believe I found somebody जिसको कैलकटा के बारे थोड़ा पता है. Then he was telling me all of some places जो मुझे ट्राई करना चाहिए. So I had such a nice conversation. I can't believe this
So this is the East Coast Road. This whole street is very pretty. I'm not kidding. I don't think so. इससे pretty neighborhood मैंने कभी देखा होगा.
Okay, so awfully chocolate में there was nothing really जो मेरे को बहुत ऐसे tempt कर रहा था. मतलब something I would not get anywhere else. So there was one thing which was very interesting, but वो इस outlet में नहीं था. So वो मेरे hotel के outlet के पास है. So I'm thinking I'll check out there. But अभी मैं जा रही हूँ एक coffee shop and I love coffee. So very excited. थोड़ा interesting लग रहा है, तो देखते हैं कैसी coffee है. And this neighborhood, oh my god, I can't get over this neighborhood. बहुत ही सुंदर. बिग शॉट कॉफ़ी. दे गिव इट विद सम बलून, कुछ ऐसे करके देते हैं, शुगर का बना हुआ. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. बट कॉफ़ी बहुत अच्छी है. वो तो ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे जस्ट इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस, बट कॉफ़ी इज़ द रियल डील एंड इट्स क्वाइट नाइस.
So after coffee, we went back to Orchard Street, जहाँ पे बहुत Christmas markets थे, and of course I had to try the famous rainbow cake. It's basically soft, colorful bread. उसके बीच में ice cream देते हैं. मैंने sweet corn ice cream choose किया. I know, very interesting, and it was. उसके बाद we checked out all the beautiful malls. My goodness, stunning is the word. क्या crazy malls है यहाँ पे. एंड द स्ट्रीट्स, ओ माई गॉड, ऐसा लगता है आप सीधे यूरोप आ गए हो, बिकॉज ऑर्चर्ड स्ट्रीट के आसपास सब कुछ हैपनिंग है. ट्रस्ट मी, आपको यही होटल बुक करना चाहिए इफ़ यू लव शॉपिंग एंड यू वांट टू चेक आउट ऑल द मॉल्स. इट्स जस्ट द बेस्ट प्लेस. फॉर डिनर वी वेंट टू दिस रियली पॉपुलर प्लेस कॉल्ड Din Tai Fung. We tried these soupy wontons and some Shaolong Bao. These are really popular and so famous. Of course we had to try it and they were so good. And for desserts, we checked out this really nice cafe called Awfully Chocolate. यहाँ पे सब कुछ chocolate ही मिलता है. Chocolates, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, everything. And this cake, oh my god, it was so good. Guys, ये I think highlight है सिंगापुर में. सब कुछ इतना tasty है, मैं सब कुछ recommend कर दूँगी आपको. And इतना खाने के बाद, of course, we had to walk back to our hotel, which was a great exercise. We needed that cardio.
बहुत ही सुंदर lit up है. It's very huge and I'm finally going back to my room. हालत बहुत ही ख़राब है. Going back to my room, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and this is day 1. Stay tuned for day 2.